Hello there, this is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, Kenya has reaffirmed its commitment to creating a fair and competitive business environment as Africa accelerates the implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area. Speaking during a sensitization workshop on the AfCFTA protocol on competition policy in Nairobi, Principal Secretary for the State Department for Trade, Regina Ombam, said the protocol will protect businesses from unfair competition and expand market access.
When we have the small, medium enterprises, which you have rightfully said is the backbone of most economies, when we're able to get them to understand that there is this market that is being opened for them, for the region, and we are allowing for everything within the cross-border regions to be seamless in terms of movement of goods, in terms